spanker. I haven't been down here in a little bit. It's steep and loose. Then weird, very loose. I'm already surfing everywhere. Oh, the lines here are changing all the time. Whoa, there it is. Little part right here, steep, let it go. There's a steep part right there. This is always changing. You never know which side to go. Let it loose over here in the ruts. It's looser than it used to be. Let it step down. There's a steep part right there. And this rod right here. Oh. Super loose. Loose and steep. Let's see this part right here. Oh! I got cut the pedal. Nice steep part right there. Before switch back another spot where you can get your pedal cut in. Another one right here to steep switchback into loose sandy. Oh, crazy sandy. And we're almost out. Little rock step down, and we're out. Very loose. I've been down here in a while. Man, that was loose. Wow. Loose and steep. It's a bad combo. But we made it out safe, so good. Okay. We nice to do a description of Jedi jumps. And there we go. So we start at this spot. And I think this is called gap sail. And it's definitely a blue, black, starting on this part. It's nice and fast. So we're gonna pedal through. Definitely a fast session over here. Jumps. Nice and fast. we're coming to some bumps, brake bumps over here. Now we start with the black, definitely a black over here. Watch this corner, it's nice and loose. And now it's a bumpy. It's definitely a black right here. Watch this exit right there. And then very bumpy over here. You want to start to look at the exit because it's gonna pop you. Whoa, there we go. And that's the first part. Nice and fun. This is called Jedi jumps, and I'm gonna take all the corners that this trail offer because of my Strava time. But you can go straight, you can skip the jump, skip the corner, go straight down. But I will take all the corners. All right, here we go. We go down. Braking bumps right here, little jump into this corner, jump to the supported corner right here, into another jump, woo, and then let go, let go, let go, let go, another jump right here, very loose this spot right here, gotta be careful. The corner, nice loose section over here too. Big jumps right in here if you want to. Lots of braking bumps over here into the sharp end. Woo! And we're off into the little uphill. It's a little steeper, this one. Definitely a full black. Jump. Super loose into this tight right corner, into the shortlist shoot left corner right here. You really want to make this one, you don't want to go straight. Jump, another little jump into this part. Woo! Right shoot dip in the middle. Watch your pedals over here. Big jump right here. I'm gonna skip today. Into this corner, into this corner. This is super loose, guys. And now let go the brake here. Let go, let go. Super fast. This jump is gonna kick you. I'm gonna skip it. Now this is very bumpy. Lots of braking bumps. Aim for the exit. And watch it. It's getting steep and loose right here. And we're out off the curb. Oh, way. Woo. And we're off. That's your exit right there. It's pretty steep, that part, even if it doesn't, you don't think so, and loose. There we go. That was Jedi jump. Fun. The end of Jedi, if you take the street down, you have two more fun trail. One is called Nicolas Cage, which is a blue, nice and flowy, very nice trail. And then there is this one, which is right here. It's called Squirrel Cage, which is a full black. It's a short trail, but it's fun. It's pretty loose. It comes on nice tight corners that drop elevation very fast, so you have to really let the brake go and just commit to it. And there's a couple of spots on exposure, which is I'm not a fan, and so, but you know, let's just go and do Squirrel Cage. Here we go. Super loose right away. Sandy. Surfing, 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 surfing. Super loose and steep right here. Now the corners are start. Gotta let the brake go and commit to it. losing elevation fast. Those are steep, super steep. Woo! And you're off loose, very loose right here. That's exposure right there. I hate this part of this trail. And they go again. I don't like it. I admit this is right here. Somebody put a jump over there to jump over this part. Crazy. Over the roots on this part. Yeah. This one right here. Stay high line and commit to the tight switchback. And here too, this is tighter. Ooh. And we're off down. It's super loose. Man, it's loose. Woo! And we're out. Loose and fun. That was squirrel cage, black diamond. Steep. Not crazy steep, but those corners are kind of technical. So they're very tight and they drop elevation very fast. So you start at one point and they just boom go down. And then for me there's a factor of the exposure, which is not that bad, but I'm not good at all of that shit. I hate exposure, so I get tight a little bit. But so we started with monkey spanker, double black diamond, steep and loose. That one here, it is steep and super loose. And then we got to Jedi. Something was moving in the bushes there. Then we got to Jedi, black diamond. Some parts are blue, borderline, but some parts are definitely black. Definitely. And you can have a lot of jumps over there and you can get a lot of speed. And then we finished with squirrel cage, which is a black diamond. And now we're on the fire road. We're going back up. All right, hope this helped and I see you next time.